Hello savvy shoppers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to getting expensive products at lower prices from popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and more. Buckle up, because we're about to save you some serious cash. First up, online price tracking tools. Websites and browser extensions like Camel and Honey can help you monitor price fluctuations and notify you when a product drops to your desired price. Timing is crucial. Keep an eye on seasonal sales, holiday discounts, and special events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Retailers often offer significant price reductions during these periods. Never skip the coupon section during online checkout. Websites like RetailMeNot and Coupons.com can help you find promo codes for extra savings. Cashback and rewards programs can be your best friend. Sign up for loyalty programs offered by retailers or use cashback websites like Rakuten to earn money back on your purchases. Consider the subscribe and save options on Amazon. You can save on everyday essentials by subscribing to regular deliveries, plus enjoy additional discounts. Don't shy away from refurbished or open box items. These are often in excellent condition and come with significant price reductions compared to brand new products. Explore the outlet and clearance sections of your favorite stores. You can find discounted products that are still in great shape, just waiting for a new home. And there you have it, folks, the insider tips to score expensive products at wallet-friendly prices from major retailers. Remember to use these strategies wisely and never compromise on quality. Happy shopping! If you find these money-saving tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more savvy shopping advice. Until next time, happy bargain hunting!